We are currently here at the Green Corridor, and in front of me right now is the restored Bukit Timah train station. Okay. About 14 kilometers to Woodlands. Now the government of Singapore have set this place as one of the tourist spots now currently here. It's being visited by a lot of tourists and locals. Just look at the place. So where is Singapore? There is Singapore. Singapore and Johor Bahru. Even the government have give some security here, some CCTV, lights, ventilation. I'm right behind the train station. There's even an air condition here. I think somebody's maybe going to use later on the room inside. Okay, a lot of kids is enjoying right now. Hey guys, there's another place there. We should visit there. Let's go. Okay, I have not seen this before actually. When I visited here before the 1932 railway stop quarters. So this is the place for. Okay. Built in 1932, this semi-detached single-story house was occupied by the station staff and their families. The design was influenced by the arts and crafts architecture movement and is similar to the railway station building opposite. Both buildings have per-piece bricks, timber roof trusses, and terracotta roof tiles. A lot of people is queuing right now here. This quarter now is being used as a restaurant here. Then a lot of people queuing right now. I saw inside some ice cream. This was opened on July 1. Oh, nice place. There's a bat, squat pan. I think we go there next time. There's a long queue here. Okay, let's go. And just a few meters away from the station is now the new public toilet. King Albert Park MRT station, 300 meters from here. Then on my left is going to the Bukit Timah Truss Bridge. Later we can see that on our other videos. Woodlands, about 11.9 kilometers. On my right is the place that I have mentioned, is the Bukit Timah railway station, and the railway stop quarters, which is now become the restaurant here for the publics. Okay. It's good to be here.
Go. Cut. Salamat, Sir.